Press and hold the power function button for 1 second to turn on the Osmo Pocket and connect the mobile device to the Osmo Pocket with the smartphone adapter. Then DJI Mimo will automatically pop up. The shooting modes are listed on the far right side of the screen. Slide up and down to select the shooting mode. Selfie. Tap the selfie button once and the lens will adjust and the camera will enter selfie mode. Tap the icon again and the gimbal will go back to its original position. Recenter. Tap the recenter button once. The gimbal will center. The shutter button is used to start or stop capturing photos or videos. Select the subject on the screen and the gimbal will automatically follow the subject. Tap the green icon on the upper right corner of the tracking box to stop tracking. Playback. Tap the playback button to check the captured photos and videos. The virtual joystick is used to adjust the gimbal's direction. Drag and hold the joystick and the gimbal will move at a constant speed in the direction of the drag. The shooting mode and battery level are shown in the upper left corner of the screen. Home. Tap the home button to go back to the home screen. Gimbal mode. Tap the button to adjust the follow speed and follow mode. Quick settings. Tap the Quick Settings button to quickly set basic parameters in the current shooting mode. Settings. Tap the Settings button to set specific parameters. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.